Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Discord overlay. Let's get started. First, open Discord. Click the settings icon. Scroll down. Then click Game Overlay. Turn on Enable Overlay. Now click the arrow next to Enable Overlay. A list of your games will appear. Find the game you want to use. Then make sure the toggle next to that game is turned on. Now launch your game. Press Shift+ to open the Discord overlay. If the shortcut doesn't work, go back to Game Overlay. Click Edit Keybind. Choose a new shortcut. Then try again. With the overlay open, you can see who's talking. Join voice channels. Reply to messages. And use Discord without leaving your game. If the overlay still doesn't appear, try turning on Enable Legacy Overlay. Then launch your game again. If it still doesn't work, run both Discord and your game as administrator. Then try again. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.